Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Paul.
And I'm Lena. Today we're going to help you learn something super useful, how to start a conversation in English.
Exactly. You know, starting a conversation can feel scary sometimes, even for native speakers.
Totally. But once you know a few simple ways to begin, it becomes so much easier.
So don't worry about grammar or accent right now. Just focus on learning natural, friendly ways to say hello and keep a chat going.
We'll go step by step with examples you can use anywhere, school, work, or when meeting new friends. Let's start simple. Greetings. The first thing we say when we meet someone is, hello, but there are many ways to greet someone in English.
Right. Let's go over a few.
You can say, hi, hello, hey, how are you? Good morning, or good evening.
And here's the important part. How you sound matters.
Smile, use a friendly tone. Let's show them an example.
Okay. Hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Paul, I'm Lena. Nice to meet you too.
Simple, right?
Very. You can also say things like, how's your day going? Or what's up?
Remember, small talk helps people feel comfortable. You can ask about the weather, their work, or how they feel.
Example, it's so hot today, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. I can't wait for winter. That's how small talk starts. Simple, friendly, relaxed. Now that you can greet people, let's talk about introducing yourself.
Good idea. You can start with your name, where you're from, or what you do.
For example, I'm Paul. I'm from Canada. I work as an English teacher.
That's clear and short. You can also add something interesting, like, I'm Lena. I'm from Germany, and I love cooking and traveling.
That gives people something to talk about. They might ask, oh, where have you traveled?
Exactly. Try to give people a reason to continue the conversation.
Here's a little tip. After you introduce yourself, always ask a question back, like, how about you? Or where are you from? That's how you keep a conversation alive.
Asking questions is one of the best ways to start or continue a conversation.
Absolutely. When you ask questions, you show interest. It makes the other person feel seen and comfortable.
Right, but here's the trick. Keep them simple and friendly. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound curious.
Let's start with some basic examples that anyone can use.
What do you do? Where do you live? Do you like your job? What do you do in your free time?
And here's one more I love. How was your day? Oh yes, that's a very natural one. People love talking about their day. When you ask a question, make sure you listen to the answer. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Exactly.
Listening is half of a good conversation. You can nod, smile, or say small words like, yeah, oh really, or wow.
Let's show them a small example. Sure. So Lena, what do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and go for walks. What about you?
I love playing guitar and reading books. See? That's a simple, natural exchange. And notice how Lena asked me a question back. What about you? That's important.
Yes. If you only answer and don't ask back, the conversation might stop.
Try this pattern. Question, answer, question back.
Like this. Do you like music? Yes, I do. I listen to it every day. What kind of music do you like?
That's perfect. It keeps things flowing. If you're shy, practice these short questions out loud. You can even record your voice and listen to how it sounds.
Or stand in front of a mirror. Pretend you're talking to a friend.
Remember, conversations don't have to be deep. Even short ones matter.
Yes, start small. Ask a classmate, did you finish your homework? Or a coworker, how's your day going?
The goal is to start, not to be perfect.
Once you start talking, it's good to move into something more personal, like hobbies or interests.
That's because hobbies show who you are. They make conversations real.
Exactly. You can say things like, I like watching movies. I enjoy cooking. I'm interested in music.
These are very useful sentence starters. Let's repeat them slowly for practice. I enjoy, I'm interested in.
Great. Now let's build longer sentences.
I like watching movies, especially comedies. I enjoy cooking new recipes on weekends. I'm interested in photography and learning how to take better pictures.
You can also use I love when you feel strongly about something.
Like, I love traveling. I went to Thailand last year.
Oh, really? I've always wanted to go there.
See how natural that feels? That's how small talk becomes real conversation.
Here's a quick exercise for our listeners. Think of 3 hobbies you have.
Good idea. Say them out loud. I enjoy, I love.
For example, I like painting. I enjoy reading books. I love dancing.
Excellent. Now try asking someone else about their hobbies. What do you like doing in your free time? What kind of music do you enjoy? Do you like to travel?
These questions are gold. They open up longer conversations.
And remember, even if your grammar isn't perfect, people will appreciate your effort.
100%. Most people care more about connection than perfect grammar.
So be curious, be kind, and just talk. Okay, now imagine you've started talking to someone. You said hello, asked a few questions, but suddenly, silence.
Oh yes, that awkward pause. Everyone's scared of it. The secret is to have small reaction phrases, ready to keep the conversation alive. These short responses show interest. You can say, "That's interesting." "Wow, really? I didn't know that. Tell me more."
Let's practice this. I started learning guitar last year.
"Oh, that's cool. How long have you been practicing?"
Almost every day. It helps me relax.
"That's amazing. Music is such a great way to relax."
That felt smooth, right? No big words, no pressure. Just curiosity and kindness. Here's another example. I just got a new puppy last month.
"Aw, that's so cute. What's its name?"
Her name is Luna. She's very playful.
"Luna, that's a lovely name. Do you take her for walks?"
Yes, every morning.
That's how you keep talking, one small question at a time.
You don't need to know big vocabulary. Just use small, friendly words.
Every good conversation needs a polite ending.
True. A smooth ending leaves a good impression.
You can say, "It was nice talking to you. I really enjoyed our chat. Let's talk again soon. Have a great day."
And if you want to sound even friendlier, you can say, "It was great meeting you." Or, "Hope to see you again soon."
Let's act it out.
Hey Lena, it was nice talking to you. I hope we can chat again soon.
Sure, Paul. Take care and see you soon.
See? Simple, warm, and friendly.
Always leave the other person smiling.
Here's a mistake many learners make. They just walk away after answering the last question. Yes, that can feel a bit cold.
Always close with something kind.
Example. It was great chatting with you. I need to go now, but let's talk later.
Or, "I really enjoyed this conversation. Thanks for your time."
And if it's online, like a chat or call, and say, "Talk to you soon." Or, "Have a good evening."
Simple, but it makes people remember you in a positive way.
All right, time to wrap up our session.
Let's go over what we learned today. Step 1, greet people naturally.
Step 2, introduce yourself clearly.
Step 3, ask simple questions.
Step 4, talk about your hobbies and interests.
Step 5, keep the conversation going with short reactions.
Step 6, end politely with a smile. And remember, nobody starts out perfect.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Exactly. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Even talking to yourself in English helps. Try describing your day aloud. Like, "I woke up early today. I made breakfast. I'm going to work now."
These small sentences build fluency.
You can also watch English shows or listen to podcasts, like this one, and repeat what you hear.
Don't just listen.
Speak along with us.
Yes. Speaking is how you train your mouth and your mind to work together.
And here's a final tip. Smile when you speak English. It changes your tone and makes you sound friendlier.
It really does. Try saying hello with a smile versus without one. It feels totally different.
You can even practice with a partner. Ask them simple questions like we did today. And if you don't have anyone, record yourself and listen back. The key is to be consistent. A few minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Before we go, let's remind our listeners, don't be afraid of speaking. Don't wait until you're perfect.
Start today, even if it's just saying hello to someone in English.
Keep speaking.
Keep smiling.
Keep learning.
Thanks for joining us today,
See you next time.
everyone. And don't forget to practice what you learned today.